First, unscrew the filter at the base of the machine. Remove the filter screen and clean it thoroughly. Then install and tighten securely. Plug in power, switch on water pump first, then roller brush. Then connect the water hose. Water will flow out at this point. Pump is functional. Tilt up the machine and check for water outflow at this position. If no water flows out, remove 4 screws with a 13mm spanner. Unscrew and clean the filter screen thoroughly. A small hole is on top of the screw. Pass a thin wire through the small hole. Clear the bore while cleaning. Wrap with PTFE tape, then tighten the screws. Note, align the slots of all 4 screws horizontally. If the problem persists, unscrew these 2 screws and open the machine housing. Disconnect this hose. If water flows out, reinstall the hose. Open the other water hose. Replace the solenoid valve if no water comes out. Open the machine housing. Take out the fuse and check for burnout. Replace the fuse if blown or damaged. If the roller brush still fails to rotate after fuse replacement, tilt up the machine and take out the roller brush. Turn the bearing and check its flexibility. If inflexible, the bearing is damaged and needs replacement. Replacement procedure for bearing. First, prepare a flathead screwdriver and a circlip plier. Pry out the oil seal first. Then remove the circlip with circlip pliers. Press the flat section and tap the black roller brush gently with a hammer. Tap until the bearing is knocked out. Pry off the bearing circlip with a flathead screwdriver. Clamp with a tool and tap the bearing out. Fit the 2 bearings into position. Secure it in place and tap the shaft down. Install the circlip. Drive the bearing home. Fit the circlip. Tap the oil seal into position. After replacement, reinstall the roller brush. If the roller brush still fails to rotate after bearing replacement, take off the iron sheet on the side of the machine body. Check the belt for dirt, hair and other debris. Clean up thoroughly if found. Plug in power, switch on water pump first, then roller brush. The roller brush rotates. Open the transparent cover. Check for debris here and clear it if any is found. Lift the upper part of the machine body. Check the holes fitted with filter screens for debris, and clean them if clogged. Switch on pump roller, test suction by hand. Strong suction indicates the suction motor works properly. Check surface rubber, replace if damaged missing. Check front cover for looseness. Tighten loose front cover by tapping. Open front cover if issue persists. Fill holes with water to flush debris.